next part of this exercise. Which exercise? 3.1. Pair of linear equations in two variables. This question, yesterday also we solved it. Roughly idea I can told you. Today I can tell once again. So what's this given? 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost how much? Rupees 50. So what we can say? We can say let like this, let price of pencil, what? Rupees X. Similarly, let price of pen, rupees Y. Understood? Now, according to question, what's question saying? 5 pencil, 1 pencil price X rupees 5X, and 7 pen 7Y is equal to 50. Understood? This is the equation number 1, linear equation in two variable. Then where 7 pencil means 7X plus 5Y equal to 46. This is your equation number 2. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. You have to find what? Find the cost of 1 pen and 1 pencil. You have to find out. So easily we can find out. You can apply graphically methods. Otherwise directly you can apply another method also. So it's meaning first equation we have taken. What's given? 5X plus 7Y equal to 50. Understood? So 5X is equal to 50 minus 7Y. Substitution method also saying this. So X is equal to 50 minus 7Y by 5. Putting this value where in second what? 7X plus 5Y is equal to 46. 7X value how much? 50 minus 7Y by 5 plus 5Y is equal to 46. Yes or no? So this told you. Now what? Now we can write like this. How can? This is 7 into 50 minus 7 into 7Y by 5 plus 5Y is equal to 46. This, so taking LCM, this is become 350 minus 49Y plus 25Y by 5 is equal to what? 46. Got it? So take this in the right hand side. So 350 minus 24Y, operate these 49Y of minus 25Y of plus, so minus 24Y left is equal to 46 into 5, 230. Yes or no? So minus 24Y is equal to 230 minus 350. How much left? 120. 4Y is equal to minus 120. If you can operate each, minus cancel, minus Y equal to 120 by 24. How much? So what's the value of Y? Y equal to 5. Y equal to 5. Now we can put Y equal to 5 either in equation number 1 or equation number 2. Anywhere you can put, then find out the value of whose? X. So whose? This is 5X plus 7. What's the value of Y? 5 is equal to 50. So 5X plus 35 is equal to 50. 5X is equal to 50 minus 35. So 5x is equal to 15, x is equal to, so what's the value of x? X equal to 3. Then what's the price of one pen, pencil? 3 rupees, pen, 5 rupees. Understood? And if you have to draw a graph of it, saying draw the graph of it easily, you can draw. Understood? And its graph is, what type of graph? Its graph is like this. Two lines intersecting at one point whose coordinate are 3 and 5. It's meaning x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. X equal to 3 meaning its distance from the y-axis is 3 unit. This is 3. 3 coming here. 2, 1. 5, its distance from the y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5. Coming like this. Understood? So easily you can understood this. I told you. Now coming on the next question. What's coming? Next question. On comparing these, question number 2. What's comparing these? I told you what you have to compare. First part we are taking. What's this? 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. So what's your A1? 5, B1 minus 4, C1 8. Then what's 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. What's your B1? B1 equal to 7. Sorry, this wrong written. This is what? A2. A2 equal to 7. B2. B2 equal to 6. And C2 equal to minus 9. So what's your A1 by A2? A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by 7. B1 by B2 what? Minus 4 by 6. And this we can write minus 2 by 3. Are these both equal? No. So what we can say? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Question given, what's question given? On comparing the ratio, find out whether the line representing the following pair of linear equation intersect at a point. Intersecting at a one point, first is this. Second, parallel, and third one is coincident. Coincidence meaning one line is lying on the other. And if this condition, what's telling? This condition telling line are intersect with each other. Understood this? Now next part. What's next part of it? In this way you can find out easily. Directly I am doing now this equation I can write and then I am saying. So second part is this. So what's A1 here? 9. B1 3. C1 12. What's your C1? 12. A2 18. B2 6. C2 24. Compare this A1 by A2. A1 by A2. It's meaning 9 by 18. Which is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 3 by 6, which is again 1 by 2. C1 by C2 12 by 24, which is again 1 by 2. So what's condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So what's this? What's telling this? If these all this ratio are equal, it's meaning Coincident. Coincident meaning one line lying upon the another line. How many solution? Infinite many solution. Understood this? Now, which part? Third part you can take. Which part you can take? Third part. Second I told you. Third, directly I am written this. What's your A1 here? 6. What's your B1? -3. C1? 10. A2? 2. B2? -1. C2? 9. So check one time first. A1 by A2 is equal to what? 6 by 2. 6 by 2. And if you can convert this into simplest form, this is coming 3 by 1. Similarly, B1 by B2, B1 -3, -3 by -1, cancel it. So how can you write 3 by 1? C1 by C2, what's coming? 10 by 9. If you can check this, so what's coming? This is coming A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So what's your answer? If this condition satisfies, your answer is this: line are parallel to each other. Never meet with each other in that plane. Understood? Same plane meaning same length, breadth, height. So understood this? Any doubt? Next. So easy question are these. One more part given of it. This is what? 5x. So A1 is what here? A1 5, B1 -4, C1 -8, plus 8, sorry, wrong written. A2 7, B2 6, C2 -9. Again compare. A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by 7. B1 by B2, what? -4 by 6. It's meaning -2 by 3. Are these equal? Not. So directly write A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Hence, how many solution? Unique solution. What solution? Unique solution. And graph is of what type? Graph is cutting at a one more point. This type. And later on, we can find out its solution by using 2-3 method: cross multiplication, substitution, and one more methods. Understood? Elimination methods. So you understood till here? So next question we can start. What's your question? Next question is what? On comparing what's it? On comparing the ratio of these, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. In second question, you have to tell they are parallel, they are cutting at a point, and if another one is lying on one line is lying on the other. So this first part we are taking. This is our first part. So first part here given, this is our first part given, first and second. So first part we are taking. What we are taking? First part. What we have to tell? We have to tell either they are consistent or inconsistent. First you can understand, if their solution exists, it's meaning consistent. If their solution not exists, they are inconsistent. Got it? So next, check this. We have written 3. What we have written? 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. I have written like this. And then I am saying A1 equal to 3, B1 equal to 2, C1 equal to -5. If you can compare. Second one, 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. What's your A2 here? This 2. What? B2 what? Minus 3. What's your? Minus 3. And C2 what? Minus 7. So compare it. First, what we can find out? A1 by A2. What we can find out? A1 by A2. So what's this? 3 by 2. What's your B1 by B2? 2 by minus 3, or this we can write minus 2 by 3. Are these equal? Not equal. So what's its meaning? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So what you can say? They are, this is what? Consistent. Consistent meaning, and if you check how many solution, so unique solution. And if you are talking about its graph, both straight line cutting each other at a point. That one is the solution of this linear equation in two variable. Got it? Now take second. What we can take? Second part of it. Second part of this question. So what's question? This one. So we can write 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So write A1 here 2, B1 minus 3, C1 minus 8. And this A2 4, B2 minus 6, C2 minus 9. If you can compare A1 by A2, what's your A1? 2, A2 4. If you can convert this into simplest form, this coming. Then B1 by B2, what's your B1? Minus 3. Minus 3 by minus 6, this cancel this, and this cancel, its meaning 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2, this is also 1 by 2, its meaning both are equal. So then we have to check, what we have to check? C1 by C2. What's your C1? Minus 8 by minus 9. Cancel it, 8 by 9. 8 by 9. So what we can write? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Its meaning no solution. How much? No solution. No solution mean inconsistent. No solution mean inconsistent. Its meaning line are what? If you can draw graph of it, line are parallel to each other, never intersect in the same plane. So consistent or inconsistent? Inconsistent. Understood? Next, second part I told you. Next I have taken this. This is given. Third part of it. Third part, how can we write? 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y. Understood? Equal to what you can write? 0. Second one, 9x minus 10y minus 14 equal to 0. So here I can write what we can write? A1. A1 is what? 3 by 2. B1, 5 by 3. C1, 0 we can say. Understood? Now A2, what's your A2? 9. What's your A2? 9. B2, what's? Minus 10. C2, what? Minus 14. So what about A1 by A2? 3 by 2 and this divided by What? 9. Yes or no? So how can you write? This is equal to 3 by 2 into 9. It's meaning 3 by 18. If you can cancel, 1 by 6 came. What's your B1 by B2? B1 by B2. What's your B1? 5 by 3. And into what? B2 minus 10. So what's it's become? What's it's become? 5 by minus 30. Cancel it. Minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6. What's minus 1 by 6? Are these both equal? 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6? No. Both are opposite to each other. So what you can say? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. It's meaning unique solution. And if there is a solution of a linear pair of equation in two variable, it's meaning what? You know, consistent or inconsistent? Unique solution. So it's meaning consistent. Got? Understood? Now it's next part. You have to show like this. No problem about these. So which one is the next part? This is one is the next part. Five x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. And this is what? Minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 equal to 0. Easily you can compare. What's your A1 by A2? This is 5. This is 5 by minus 10, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Directly I am doing now. B1 by B2. What's minus 3 by 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. It's meaning A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Now, what's your C1 by C2? C1 by C2. What's your C1? Minus 11. Minus 11 by what? 22. 22, if you can cancel it, minus 1 by 2, it's meaning this is equal to C1 by C2. So, what's its meaning? It's meaning both line parallel to each other, never meet with each other through graph. So, moving like this, one is moving like this. So, how many solution? No solution. If pair of linear equation, no solution, it's meaning you know consistent or inconsistent, inconsistent. Got? Yes. Understood? So similarly, what you can do, third part of it. What's third part of it? So try to solve it. What third part of it? If not able to solve, so tomorrow we can start by this. Which part? Fifth part given actually this. Last part of this. Or not able to solve, I can tell. So how can solve? This again I can write 4 by 3 x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. And what's 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. So again directly I am finding, not writing like this, a1 by a2. What's your a1? 4 by 3. a2 into 2. It's meaning 4 by 6. It's meaning 2 by 3. Then find out B1 by B2. So B1 what? 2. And what's B2? 3. Are these equal? Yes, equal. So we can write A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Then what's about C1 by C2? C1 by C2 minus 8 by 12. What? Minus? Minus cancel minus. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Yes, equal to C1 by C2. What's the condition? Same condition which is given in this fourth part of this. Its meaning, line are parallel to each other. So how many solution? No solution. If no solution, what type of consistent or inconsistent, you know. So this I told you. So tomorrow we can start this next part of this. You can try to solve this question number 4. Otherwise I can start from this question. Thank you all of you.